Dear friends, this is ninth tip. Okay, don't forget the tips which I have given you before. That is first, second, third, fourth, seventh, eighth. Okay, this is the ninth tip. That is intonation. What's it? Intonation is a part of shadow practice. Have I not told you during shadow practice that there are various division in shadow practice? So this is one of the parts of the shadow practice, that is, intonation. Its other name or the synonym is tone, tune, or modulation of voice. Okay, it's very important. Sometimes it's a, falling intonation. Sometimes it becomes rising intonation. Actually, intonation means the rise and fall of pitch in a person's voice whilst he is speaking. It conveys the emotional, attitude of a person. What's emotional attitudes? Sadness, anger, irritation. Okay. So it's very helpful as well as it's very important because of intonation, you may be misunderstood. So that's why intonation is important while you are speaking. Now, I'm giving you some examples of intonation. First thing is that what is falling intonation and when it is used? Falling intonation is a sweeter voice, normal voice, when you are in a calm and cool emotional path. While you give statement. Statement means, I'm having my breakfast. So sweetly I'm telling you. I am going to office. I have to do a lot of jobs. I have many assignments. These are all statements. So here a speaker uses falling intonation. The problem comes with the rising intonation. What's that? If you are angry or if the speaker is angry, irritated, you or he expresses through the modulation of the voice. Shall I give an example? Don't come to me and don't irritate me. This is called the rising intonation. Okay? Go there, bring a book, bring a glass of water, and don't disturb me. Don't irritate me. See, my voice has already risen. Okay? So this is called the rising intonation. Am I clear to you? So, intonation makes a speaker attractive, gives a special position amidst crowd. Okay? So, go for intonation if you want to be an influencer, if you want to be a speaker, corporate speaker, start practicing intonation. Okay, dear friends, if you think it's helpful, please share it. Please subscribe it. I'll be thankful. Dear students, I'll come again with another tips and gradually I will carry on my journey in the YouTube channel. You will get many a channel. You will get now the AI tutors. But I have gone through more or less. Those things are all faketed. Few days course. But I will try my level best to continue the communicative English as well as, the corporate training, on and on. I'll cover up everything. Whatever I have needed in my life, I will just deliver to my students. So, I'm a new one in the YouTube channel for Communicative English. Your support is most important for me. And I think gradually it will help the students, those who don't get opportunity to, speak in English. I will try my level best even in the written English later on. Just allow me to grow bit by bit to help you. Bye bye, my friends. Have a nice time. Meet you again. Bye.